Oh, what's up, guys? So it's been a minute since I've chatted with you. I need to show up more regularly. That's my goal for 2023 is to be more consistent with you guys. So I'm going to start showing up. I'm focused right now on crypto content. It's the best way to really get to your financial goals in this next decade. So I'm going to leave it up to you guys. Let me know the type of content you want to see. Do you want to know about the news? What's going on in crypto news? Do you want to know more about crypto projects? Do you just want to know how to live a lifestyle with crypto? I'm going to be sharing a lot of random content, all geared toward crypto and the crypto industry, and basically how I live um, as a crypto user. I'm also gonna probably do some tutorials, some how-tos. I have a huge list of things that I could do, but of course I want to do what's gonna be interesting to you guys. I want to share that type of content, and I also want to share content that I enjoy. So for me, I am learning. I am constantly learning. This information, this industry rolls really fast, and you got to catch on and just kind of grab on and just keep holding on for dear life because there's something called Moore's Law, and it says that information doubles every 18 months. Since I've been in crypto, there's been so much that has happened. It's going on, what, 3 years now since I've been in crypto. I got in 2020 and now it's 2023. So, yeah, 3 years. And we have a halving coming up in 2024. My whole idea for helping people was to make sure that I came up with a plan for people to be ready during the bear market so that they could also reap the benefits of the halving that's coming up next year. That is what I want to bring to you guys. I want to show you how I am preparing for this next bull market. Please like and follow so that you can see how to make this thing happen, okay? And how I'm making it happen and how you can make it happen too. Okay, so let's get into this content today. When I wake up, I always check crypto prices. I always like to see where we are, if things are looking good, if things are looking bad. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 22,930. We have a resistance level of 23,000 right now that we're trying to break. And if we can break and hold 23, things are going to be looking pretty damn good in the short term. So ETH is at 1,620. It's holding its own. I am starting to have some concerns about just the proof of work, moving from proof of work to proof of stake. Before, I wasn't too concerned about having two strong contenders be the winner, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But now that I'm learning more about the requirements of proof of stake, I always knew that whoever hold the most crypto or stake would be able to write the laws. But just imagine an entire ecosystem built around something like that. It's no different than what we have today. The big players make all the rules. And I'm starting to have second thoughts about how I feel about Ethereum. However, ETH has done me very well since I've been invested over the years. It's done extremely well. So, as an investor, I like it. As a citizen, I have a little bit of concern about it. Um, that issue's not going to get resolved anytime soon, I don't believe. But we just need more developers being able to develop on Bitcoin for Bitcoin to be as useful and as exciting as Ethereum is. So anyway, those are my two top coins that I really love. But we have some interesting plays that are coming up in on the next bull cycle. So that's where I'm doing my research right now. It's 9 times out of 10 going to be AI related, artificial intelligence. I'm going to let you know which coins I am watching and which ones I'm going to be investing in pretty soon. So you guys need to stay tuned, okay, for that information. So if we go on down the line, we see ADA is at 37 cents. I don't ever really pay attention to Binance. I don't know why. I think deep down I have a little bit of an issue with Binance. But anyway, BNB, which is Binance Coin, they are at $314. XRP is at 42 cents. I was invested in XRP back in 2020. Early 2021, I got out because of the court case, and it's still ongoing, and I think they're getting pretty close to a ruling. Just not interested in it anymore. I don't really see what's that great about it when you compare it to the other crypto that's out there. But anyway, we'll keep a little bit of an eye on it. It's 42 cents at the moment. And then Doge is at 8 cents. Solana is at $24.46. Now, Solana was on a tear about a year or so ago. I mean, insane tear. It went from nothing to over $400 a coin. And my crazy ass doubted it all the way up. And at the last minute, I was like, you know what? It's probably going to do well. It's going to be a good contender with Ethereum. So maybe I'll just go ahead and buy some. Why did I buy at the top? Why? This is one of the problems that I have with crypto, is knowing how to value the coin. So that's one area I'm going to be focusing on very strongly this year: valuation methods and making sure you're not getting in at the top. You want to make sure that you're buying at a fair or undervalued state or at a fair value. My investment strategy is to buy and hold for the long term. So I was not looking for like a quick flip. But at the time I got in, the market was going haywire at that time, and it was just a bad buy all around. But I'm keeping my eye on it. It's been hit really hard because of the FTX scandal. I'm really not that interested in it, but it is good to always have a good counterplay to your main coin. So we'll see how that one goes. Some other areas, Matic is doing as Polygon. It's $1.01 at the moment. AVAX is 18.18. I'm keeping an eye on that one as well. Of course, Atom, Cosmos, I've always been interested in that. I had a really good run with these coins that I'm listing to you now. I've had a really good run with them in 2020, 2021, and I may or may not buy back into them, but Link was another one. Link is now at $7.03. I think I first got into Link when it was like, I want to say, I'll go and double check, but I feel like it was maybe anywhere between, geez, it's been a minute. I'm gonna have to go back and double check this one, guys. But it was an insane run. Let me just tell you. Think about it like it was probably around $7, which is where it is now. I feel like it may have been $7, and then it shot all the way up to like, what was the high of Link? I'm gonna double check it. I probably should have checked my numbers before I came on here trying to give you guys some ideas of the possibilities, but I'll go back and double check, and then I'll follow back up with you guys and let you know what those prices were. If you want to learn about crypto, if you're interested in crypto, I want to help you. Please tag along with me. My goal is to help as many people as I can on this journey. Actually, I have a number. It's a pretty big number. It's like over 200,000 people that I want to help over the next 4 years in one way or another, bringing them to crypto, helping them to get a really good understanding of how to use crypto. Whatever I could do, I'm going to do my best to help you guys, but I need your help too. I need you to help me to know what it is that you want to learn about. So today I'm going to share with you guys 3 resources if you're new to crypto, 3 resources that you could look into right now and get started. The first one is going to be where I check prices. There are other places to check prices as well, but I don't know why, I like CoinGecko. I've used them since getting started. You can find the app on the App Store, iOS, and I believe it's also on Android as well. I'll paste a little image of it somewhere on my screen. I don't know, maybe I'll paste an image of it somewhere here so that you can see where to go and to know that you're downloading the right app. So I love CoinGecko because it's really good for giving you more information about the token that you're looking to invest in. You can learn the tokenomics of the coin from there. Things like the market cap, which is just the price of a token multiplied by the number of total tokens in existence. So it gives you an idea of the size of that project and where it ranks with the other crypto projects. So you can also get information like the 24-hour high, the 24-hour low. You can get the trading volume, which is really important if you're a trader. Um, it impacts the price of the coin, so it's good to know that. And then the total available supply, all that information is there, and we call it tokenomics. It's very important to learn these things, the terminology, how to read that data, and that's what we're going to be focusing on this channel as well. There's also CoinMarketCap. That's another app that you can use to download. Like I said, I like CoinGecko. There's also Coinbase. I'm sure by now everyone has heard of Coinbase. I still like Coinbase. I think they're a little pricey for me, but it's about 1.5% to 2%. I forget what the percentage is. Whenever you want to cash out and whatnot, it's an option. It's a safer option than the other exchanges that are out there. Basically, a crypto exchange is an on ramp. It's an on ramp and an off ramp for crypto. So if you're new, you want to get into crypto, you want to buy some on an exchange like Coinbase, you will link up your bank account to Coinbase, transfer the money over, and then you'll be able to start buying shares or buying coins, right? So that's one way that you can get into crypto pretty quickly. And if you'd like to sign up to Coinbase, I have a link in the description below, or you get $10 back. I'm not really sure, but please use my link if you're interested in signing up for Coinbase. Coinbase is also a publicly traded company, so it's not like a real crypto company. I want to make that clear. It is an exchange, but they have to go through all of the financial filings like a public company would. So they're a bit more safer than other centralized exchanges in crypto. I would say don't completely trust a centralized exchange. I don't want to go off on a rant, but I did lose some money. It wasn't an exchange per se because you couldn't really, it wasn't like buy and sell. It was a lending platform, and it was centralized as well. And we have issues. I'm currently in the middle of, not me personally, but that company is being sued right now, and they're in the middle of a Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So anyway, that's a whole other discussion. If you guys are interested, we can talk about that. But yeah, Coinbase is a good app if you want to learn more about crypto and if you want to buy and sell crypto as well, if you want to trade. So Coinbase, and I will link that below as I stated before. Also, let me just let you guys know that Cash App also is a way that you can buy Bitcoin. Now, they won't have any other tokens on there, I don't believe, unless they've changed something recently. But before, they only offered Bitcoin. So if you want to just get your feet wet and you want to buy some Bitcoin, go to Cash App, buy you some Bitcoin. I think their rates are probably very similar to Coinbase. I'm not really sure. I don't buy my Bitcoin there, but what I will do is if customers want to shop with me at my boutique, I offer them the opportunity to pay me in Bitcoin, which is what I would prefer, honestly. And I just have them, because they're very new to it, they don't know how it works. I just have them purchase the Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to me that way. So the more you know. So, what's the third one I was going to share with you guys? So I gave you a place to look up the crypto. I gave you a place to buy the crypto, place to store the crypto, Ledger. So Ledger is a hardware wallet. It's the safest way. We call it cold storage. It's the safest way to store your crypto. The safest way. I'm going to try to provide a link to Ledger below as well. So if you're interested in it, and getting your hardware wallet, I would use them. There's also Trezor. I've never used them before, and there are some other options out there as well. But I mean, they've just been good to me, so I just kind of continue to use it. Um, I will show you what that looks like on the screen so that you can get an idea. I think I read an article somewhere that where is it? Best Buy is now offering Ledger. If that is true, I'm gonna let you guys know, and you could probably go and check out a Ledger at Best Buy instead of just having to sit and wait for it to come in the mail. That would be a nice option. All right, guys, I'm not gonna go on and on. I feel like this is a good place to stop. We came in, I updated you guys on just what I've been doing. We talked a little bit about crypto prices. I gave you 3 key little items that could get you started that you could use to get you started right now into crypto. And I hope you guys come on this journey with me. It's so exciting at times. It's very nerve-wracking at times, but if you just have a really good strategy, you're gonna see you will see that you should have been here years ago, honestly. So I hope that you guys got value out of this video, and I hope to see you guys soon.